For today's property tour, we're going to be checking out a brand new community that just started building here in the southwest end of Las Vegas by Century Communities. Also, if this is your first time to my channel and you would like to stay up to date with all the new builds here throughout the Las Vegas area, tap the subscribe button below. Also, tap that bell for notification. That way, you are the first to learn on any upcoming new builds. Now, let's get started. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan 2308 in the community of Southwind by Century Community Homes, located in the southwest of Las Vegas. Really quick, you do see two model homes here available, but they do have a total of 3 different floor plans. And then the one that's not displayed is slightly the smallest floor plan. It is 2,054 square feet, 3 to 4 bedroom. If it's something you're interested, reach out and I could give you the more info on that one. But for today's video, we're going to be checking out floor plan 2308. And this one comes either in a 3 to 4 bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms. It is 2,308 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price for this one is $491,990. But now with Century Community Home, guys, they are now speccing these homes out. What does that mean? Builder is now picking all the options for you guys with the upgrades and also including the lot premiums all in that out the door price. So to give you a rough idea, right now they do have a quick move-in ready, and out the door price for that one is $533,990, specced out by the builder. Just to give you a rough idea how much they're speccing them out, probably I would say about 10% in upgrades, and they are going to be pretty similar to the model home. Not exact, guys, but pretty similar. Also, it is in an HOA community, $69 a month. They are going to be building a total of 148 homes here, guys. As you can see, they haven't finished completing a home yet. They just recently opened about 2 weeks ago. And like I always tell everybody, if you want to get the best price, typically you want to be one of the first ones, the early phases as the builder starts building out, because the farther the phase, they start increasing the prices. All right, so enough of me talking, let's go inside. Obviously right now, that office would be your 2-car garage, but that's where your 2-car garage. You're gonna have pavers here in your driveway. Check it out. And they also have 3 different elevations, meaning 3 different looks of the front of your house. So let's go in here to the office and go around. See, so we come here, and so in the front, you have this nice little front porch covered. Got about 7-foot door, entry door. Let's go outside and check it out. All right. So as soon as you come in, staircases off to the right. Ceramic tile flooring, 9-foot ceilings. So here to the left, immediately you are gonna have a powder room. Let me show you real quick because it is being used as a public restroom. Just really quick, look. And here out to the right, actually it's a closet. Builder must be storing some stuff that they don't want people having access, because these are model homes, so a lot of people come in and out. But that is a closet right there. And right over here, got the living room, dining, and kitchen, guys. Check it out. So let's first check out this living room before we check out the rest, because it's right here first. So here's your living room. Very nice linear electric fireplace. So just keep, like I said earlier, guys, these are model homes, highly upgraded. Builder is now speccing their homes out as they release them. Like I said, they're picking the upgrades, but they are going to be pretty similar. But don't hold me to it, guys. It's not going to be exact like this model home. Just wanted to put that out there, guys. So here's your dining. Good size. At least it has its designated area, which I'm a big fan of. Then your kitchen, guys. You got the nice white cabinets. You got the quartz island countertop right here. Seats about 3 people. So you got the stainless steel undermount sink right here. You got your microwave stove. Let's see if these are soft close. They are not. But definitely like that tile backsplash as well. Look at that. Really nice. So let me back up real quick, give you guys a view from this angle right here. What do you guys think of this kitchen, guys? You guys like it? You don't? Let me know in the comments below. So now right over here off to the left. So you got nice, so that would be to your access to your garage right there. You come in, take your shoes off, and enjoy your house. But this is very interesting. So I don't know what's behind that door, guys. I would imagine it's to the garage, but very interesting over here as well, the door to the garage. So I don't know, I could find that out. So if you're interested, just shoot me a DM and by then I'll have that info. But here's your pantry. I'll have the floor plan, pull it up, and then I'll have it on your screen so you can check it out and see what that door is. But I think it's to the garage. So now let's go check out your backyard. So average lot here is gonna be around a little over 4,000 square foot lots. Check it out, guys. Nice size backyard, not too big, not too small. I do love how it has this extended covered patio right here. Really nice. And one thing I always say in all my video, guys, landscaping, when you see these model homes, is not gonna be included with your home purchase. You're just gonna get a clean slate, so just a heads up. Also, before you start commenting on why that fence is low, this is a model home, guys, so they put it low for the purpose of you being able to see and compare that next floor plan. But here it is. Here's this back view. What do you guys think? So here in the back view, you got 1, 2, 3, including 4 if you count the slider. Windows in the back. Let's go back inside and check out that second floor. Also, if you guys are enjoying this property tour, guys, do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also, tap that bell for notification. That way you know when we do upload these property tours, you guys are always receive that notification and be one of the first ones to learn about them. Also, if you're looking to purchase a new build and are looking to have your own outside representation, which I always recommend, guys, you know, and you want an agent maybe like myself, or maybe you already have someone you could trust, it's very important that we come with you on that first visit at least, guys. Because if not, you can't call us later and say, hey Romero, you know, I went to that community, I loved it, now I want to go back with you and represent. Nope, because what happens is you come solo and they think, you know, by default, you lose that representation. Just a heads up, guys. So always bring your agent with me or myself. So up here, so right now this model home is a 3-bedroom. But if you wanted that 4th bedroom, it would be here in this loft, guys. As modeled, 3-bedroom with a loft. And then let's go over, just start over here. So this is bedroom number 1. Closet right here, check it out with the window. Pretty cool. It is. Let me give you guys a view from this angle real quick of your loft. Do love those windows right there. Big fan of that. 8-foot ceilings here upstairs as well. Then right next to this other bedroom is the 2nd bedroom. Window right here. Also with the walk-in closet. Pretty cool. Here's a view from this angle. What do you guys think so far? You guys like it? You don't? Definitely love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, guys. Then right here is your hallway bathroom. Dual vanity. You got your combo bath stand-up shower. Really nice. Definitely love like the whites. Really does pop. Check it out. And then over here you have your laundry room. Sink, cabinets, a window. Then here off to the left you got your smart panel box. Then right here, right outside of your laundry room, you have a linen closet. Now let's go see the main bedroom, which is the primary bedroom. Check it out, guys. King size bed, plenty of space on the left and right hand side. This window is actually facing the backyard. And check this out, guys. We're literally on the edge of Las Vegas. But here it is. Let me give you guys a view from this angle. Then right over here, we have your primary bathroom, guys. Check it out. Dual vanity. And here off to the right, you got your stand-up shower. Got some linen storage right there. There's your toilet. And here it is. What do you guys think? Got a window right there. Let me stand right here so you get a good view. And then right here, your walk-in closet. Ooh, the lights are like coming out. They must be running these model homes in a generator. So they're just barely opened up. That's why you see the light come and go. Well, let me know in the comments below, guys, what you guys think of this floor plan. Would you want it as a 3-bedroom with a loft? Would you want that 4th bedroom? What do you guys think of the location, the layout, anything, guys, negative, positive? Would definitely love to hear it. And if there's anything in the world I can help you guys out with, even if you guys have questions, or even if you're planning to buy and you're 790 a year out, guys, doesn't matter, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'll have my description, I can't even speak. I'll have my contact info in the description below. That way you could have that and reach out to me any way you like. And as always, guys, if you guys enjoyed this property tour, guys, please do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. That way it helps me continue to grow my channel and put out these tours for you guys. And tap that bell for notifications. That way you guys receive that notification when we do upload these property tours. Until next time, guys.